Hello everyone, this is Shaheen. Welcome to my kitchen. My favorite season, winters, have started and we all prepare lots of pickles, and one of them is gooseberry or amle ka achar. Have a look how to prepare amle ka achar. This is 1 kg of amla which we have boiled for one pressure. I have given one pressure in pressure cooker, and now we can separate the seed from amla. We have to drain all the water out, and if you have sunlight at your place, just keep it under sun for at least half an hour so that it will be dried completely. 100 grams of rai dal or achar ki dal, 4 teaspoon of cumin or white zira, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi dana. This is 1 teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain, half a liter of mustard oil, 5 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can also increase the quantity. 5 teaspoon of salt. You can also increase or decrease according to your liking. 4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. These are 4 whole red chilies, dried ones, which I have broken into pieces. Half a teaspoon of hing powder. Half a teaspoon of citric acid powder. We have to grind all these 4 things together to a fine powder. See, we have separated the seeds, and now our amla or gooseberry are ready to be prepared. So here's a powder which we have prepared with 4 things: fenugreek seeds, cumin, carom seeds and rai dal. Take a wok, and this is half a liter. You can see our oil is hot. Now we are putting red whole chilies. Slow down the flame. Put this powder of masala. Put off the flame. Once you find your mustard oil bubbling, then slow down the flame because it has a tendency of coming up. And now we are adding salt. You can reduce the amount of salt if you like. Generally in pickles we put more salt, but it is advisable to use lesser salt. It is harmful. Red chili powder, 5 teaspoon of it. You can increase or decrease according to your liking. This is hing powder in a powder form. You also get hing in a granule form. You can grind it, but that one is very strong, so reduce the amount. We don't have to cook it much, and this pickle you can store for whole year. You can enjoy it, and whenever you take out pickle from the jar, try to always use dry spoon. Cover the lid tightly and cool this pickle. Once it is cool, you can store in jar. No need to put in a fridge. Just 1 or 2 minutes, that's all. And in the end, I am adding citric acid as a preservative. And now let it cool. Once it is cool, we can store it in a jar, glass jar.